As a country, we're very pleased because today we have 3,500 people who are in this ship. Last year, we received about 3,123 people who came by ship. That is 2023. This year, 2 months alone, we already surpassed 5,000. That means there's a new growth and there's new interest in Kenya. So the reality is that the 12,000 people who are coming, we estimate this year, are a drop in the ocean, because Kenya should be receiving, and the capacity is 140,000 visitors by cruise ships. My job and the job of my ministry and my team is to grow this 12,000 number to higher numbers. And I will be negotiating and will be working on programs with our friends who own these shipping companies, cruise ship companies, so that they can add Kenya to the circuit, so that people can come here. Ili hizi meli zikija hapa, zinalete kazi, zinamwaga pesa, zinapindua hali yetu ya maisha. Kwa hivyo sisi tunataka kuwahimiza kwamba mwaka huu tunatarajia watu 12,000. Mwaka uliopita ilikuwa 3,000 peke yake. Hapa tuna uwezo wa kupokea zaidi ya 140,000. Hawa watu wakija hapa kutumia pesa, watamwaga pesa, kazi zitaongezeka, biashara itaenda vizuri. We have a challenge. This ship can only stay here for maximum 12 hours because of the yellow fever requirement that is set by the World Health Organization.
Directed the relevant departments to ensure as well that all the tourists who are going to be within Mombasa, there's not only just ample security, but any kind of assistance that is required, we will be able to provide it for you as a government, and we hope that everyone who comes on board can be able to sell the narrative of Mombasa to others.
And I hope this will be the first of a very long series of calls in the future, because all of us will look forward to keep coming back to Kenya.
Longing and waiting for this day. We are happy to be here. MSC is a good company to work for. So
MSC is a good company, training us all, giving us opportunities. And for instance, you only apply through the company, no corruption, no nothing.
Na